Malcolm from the Council of Motoring Clubs, and I'm the organiser of the annual Shannon's Classic Car Show. This is my 1952 Tatra T600 Tetraplan. This is one of the vehicles that's been selected by the committee this year for a display called Past Cars of the Future. The committee has hand-selected a number of vehicles that they think represents important developments in the development of the automobile. Cars that were seen as particularly futuristic or innovative in their day. Some of the vehicles are quite well known, such as the Citroën DS and the Chrysler Airflow. But some of the vehicles are a little bit more obscure, and some of them may even be controversial. In addition to the special display though, you will see this year 1,000 vehicles on display from 75 of Perth's motoring clubs, covering the whole gamut of automotive interests. We cover everything from buses to trucks, vintage cars, modern classics, some modern supercars, motorcycles, scooters, historic touring cars, and even a display by the Classic Speedway Association. In addition, there'll be displays by other clubs, associated interest groups, and traders. This year's Classic Car Show is held at Ascot on Sunday, 8th of March. Gates open at 10 a.m. Tickets are $10 an adult. Children under 16 are free. There's free parking on site, and everybody gets a free program. We would love to see you there. We'd also like to hear from you about what you think a past car of the future actually is. So feel free to add your comments below.